Yeah. Yep. I cry for a bit. That's my life. That's my goddamn life. Yeah. I drink to forget. Then I wake up awake. That's my goddamn life. That's my life. Oh. Oh, hey there. Why don't you join me and have a seat over here by the fire? Oh. By the fire.
Well, that's good of you.
Bone dry. Sins I'm carrying around. You won't even believe. But if I had a little whiskey to loosen up my tongue a little, I might tell you.
Here.
Only fitting that I'd be drinking the devil's brew. I'll be seeing him soon enough. You're a place called Four Rigs? South of Strawberry. Captain, Indians penned in there like cattle. I ain't know what's worse. Seeing the ones we killed or watching the other ones die. Slow way. Well, they pay well. Them government boys. But the money don't last long. You ain't want to hear it? I might risk your lives a minute. Feeling very sleepy all of a sudden.